Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, thanks for tuning in. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching again. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can DIY lip scrub at home. Okay, so in this video I will be showing you two ways of how I do my lip scrub at home, most especially for those who wants to have this natural pink lips, okay, and for those who desire a smooth, looking lips. So sit back and enjoy this video. So I will be needing 2 tablespoons of sugar, this is white sugar, okay. So I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, one-fourth teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm using this food color. Note that whatever food color you put, that is what will reflect on your lips. So I won't use it, it won't turn red because I'm using a little bit of it, so it will be like a very dark pink. And if you have pink color, you can also use it. But if you have a very dark lips, you have to use a red food color, okay. So I'm using very small quantity. So what you're going to do is to mix it together. As you can see, it is now in this very deep pink. It is not red color, okay, and this is what I actually want. So with this, you have to scrub your lips with it at least 3 times a week, okay. Scrub your lips with it 3 times a week. This is actually for people that wants to achieve pink lips, okay. So I'm going to be transferring it into a small container just to keep it safe and protected. You have to use this religiously, okay. So this is the cover. I will cover it and keep it in my fridge. So that is it for pink lip scrub. So guys, this is another way to make your lip scrub at home, okay. This will leave your lips looking smooth and radiant, okay. So this is called honey lip scrub. So the recipe I will be using is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of honey, and of course 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So without further ado, let's get into the preparation. and you have to mix it together. So as you can see, it has incorporated together. So this is it for honey lip scrub. So I'm going to transfer it into this container. Then use this scrub 3 times a week at least, you know, for you to see a better result on your lips. And when you try it, let me know what you feel about this remedy. Let me know how it works for you. Come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to thumbs up my video and also hit the subscribe button below, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you feel about this video. Let me know if you want more of these videos. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.